Welcome back to a course on Calculus for Business, Part 2, that is integration. In this lecture, we are going to talk about definite integrals. But before getting into definite integrals, we will see the ways in which the constant of integration value shall be found. Okay, so we will start with how to determine the value of C. Okay, we have seen in the course of differentiation that when you differentiate your total revenue, you are going to get the marginal revenue. So as the process of inversion, when you integrate marginal revenue, you must be able to get your total revenue, right? So let us consider an instance by which we will see how to find the value of C. If the marginal revenue function is, that is r prime of x, is 15 minus 9x minus 3x squared, we are asked to find the revenue function and the demand function. So let us do it. We know that revenue function shall be found using the process of integration. When you integrate your marginal revenue with respect to x, you are going to get your revenue. So integral 15 minus 9x minus 3x squared with respect to dx, you would get integral 15 dx minus 9 times of integral x dx minus 3 times of integral x square dx, and this is about to give you 15x minus 9 times of x squared upon 2 minus 3 times of x cube upon 3 plus some constant of integration c, and this is 15x minus 4.5x squared minus x cube plus c. So this is a revenue function, but still in order to complete this revenue we must find the constant c. If you think from the general idea, when you produce nothing your revenue is zero, right? So that one, in wordings, let us write the revenue is expected to be zero when we produce nothing. That in notation when x is zero. So you will have to do r of x is zero when x is zero. And this variable tells you that your 0 is 15 times of 0 minus 4.5 times of 0 plus, sorry, minus 0 cube plus c. This variable tells you that your c is 0. Hence, your revenue function is 15x minus 4.5x squared minus x cube. Fine. So once we have the revenue function, what is generally revenue? Revenue is the number of units with P. So if you write your revenue function in this way, this is about to give you x times of 15 minus 4.5x minus x squared, and this P is your demand function. This gives you that your demand function, that is P, happens to be 15 minus 4.5x minus x squared, right? Now let us get into the concept of definite integrals. So definite integrals in general form, it is integral a to b f of x dx. This shall be written as f of b minus f of a. You know what is big F and small f. Small f(x) is the integrand and big F is the integral or the antiderivative of small f, and this a is called as the lower limit of integration and b is called as the upper limit of integration, and this gives you this actually. Fine. So let us get into problems directly. First problem is we will have to evaluate integral 0 to 2 x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx. So the solution, integral 0 to 2 x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx. So this is integral 0 to 2 x squared. Okay, first of all, uh, find your integral. This is x squared dx minus 4 times of integral x dx plus 5 times of integral dx, and this is about to give you x cube upon 3 minus 4x squared upon 2 plus 5x, and along with this you are going to have your constant of integration c, but don't write it when you are dealing with definite integrals. Okay, even if you write it, that is of no bother. Okay, now you have integral 0 to 2, so which means this is what you are going to do. First find this and write like this. Okay, and this is what your x cube upon 3 is there as it is, and this may be written as 2x squared plus 5x integral 0 to 2, and this is 2 cube upon 3 minus 2 times of 2 squared plus 5 times of 2, that is I am substituting x is equal to 2, and then minus of I'll have to substitute x is equal to 0, that is 0 cube upon 3 minus 2 times of 0 squared plus 5 times of 0. So this entire quantity is 0, and the first quantity gives you 8 upon 3 minus 8 plus 10. So it is 8 upon 3 plus 2, and when you do it, it is about 14 upon 3. Right? The next problem is integral 0 to 4 under root x plus e power x dx. So this is what integral 0 to 4 under root x shall be written as x power 1 by 2 dx plus integral 0 to 4 e power x dx. Right? So this becomes x power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus e power x over the limit 0 to 4. So this is 3 upon 2. So it becomes 2x power 3 upon 2 upon 3 plus e power x. This is happening. Right? When you substitute these limits, you are going to have 2 upon 3, 4 power 3 by 2 plus e power 4 minus 2 upon, 2 multiplied with 0 to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 minus of minus and then plus, so it becomes minus e power 0. 2 upon 3. If you see, when you take, okay, let me do it separately in different colors so that you will have a better understanding. For this alone, your 4 power 3 by 2, your 4 may be written as 2 squared to the power 3 by 2. So this upon this denominator 2 gets cancelled with this, so you will have 2 cube, which is 8. Therefore 2 upon 3 multiplied with 8 e to the power 4, and this quantity is 0 and e power 0 is 1. So it is minus 1. You have 16 upon 3 plus e power 4 minus 1. So this happens to be 13 upon 3 plus e power 4. Okay, and this completes the problem, and with which we have come to the end of this lecture. Thank you.